Hello guys, Yashwan sir welcomes you in today's English class. In previous class we have seen some examples of daily life speech, how to convert into indirect speech, okay, from statement and interrogation. Statement and interrogation. Let's continue the same once again for exclamatory and imperative sentence. Okay students. Yesterday in previous class we have seen some WH question. So let us say some examples of verbal question. Okay. Verbal question lo in an interview with VVS Lakshman, sports star SS, sports star asked, SS asked or SS said to VVS Lakshman, VVS. SS means sports star said to VVS Lakshman. Who was your childhood hero? I'll take an example. What is your favorite cuisine? What is your favorite cuisine? Question mark. Sports star said to VVS Lakshman, what is your favorite cuisine? Then how to change into indirect speech? It is a direct speech. Now change it to indirect speech. Ideas. See here. Who said? SS said. Okay. SS sports star said. Said to becomes in the question kabatti you have to make asked. Okay, SS asked. Asked whom? VVS Lakshman. VVS Lakshman. You see, while dealing with the statement, previous examples, em cheppanu nenu, instead of comma and comma, you have to use that conjunction cheppanu. I told you have to use that conjunction instead of comma to comma in a statement, declarative sentence. Kani in an interrogative sentence, instead of comma to comma, you will not use any conjunction. Em cheyakandi. But em cheyali? You have to take WH word as it is. You have to take WH word as alage తీసుకోండి. What is your favorite? Now see, what tarvata is verb and is a subject your favorite cuisine. Okay, that is complement వస్తుంది అక్కడ predicate లో. What is ఇక్కడ verb subject ఉంది కదా, answer లో indirect speech లో you have to change subject plus verb. SVO form తీసుకోవాలి. What tarvata here your stands for whose? Your stands for VVS Lakshman. VVS Lakshman male or female? Male. For male, which pronoun is used? He or she? He. Okay. He or she? You have to use he. He pronoun. And what is the possessive pronoun for he? His. Your stands for you means you, he, she. Your, his or her. Your ki, his or her. As he is a male, that's why you have to use his. SS asked VVS Lakshman what his what his Yes, it's asked V.S. Lakshman what his favorite cuisine was. What his favorite cuisine was. Okay, if you asked what was his favorite cuisine, again question mark there. What was his favorite cuisine? Again question mark. మరి ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ఫేవరెట్ క్యూజిన్ వాజ్, వాట్ తర్వాత హిస్ ఫేవరెట్ క్యూజిన్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ ఇస్ ద వర్బ్. Are you following? His favorite cuisine is subject, was his verb. Means while changing direct speech and indirect speech in interrogative sentence, you have to remove comma or comma and don't use any conjunction. Right? Again, you have to use what word as it is, WH word as it is. ఆ తర్వాత you have to change verb object or verb subject word into SVO. స్టేట్మెంట్ చేంజ్, స్టేట్మెంట్లో చేంజ్ చేయాలి. స్టేట్మెంట్ డిక్రేటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ SVOలో రావాలి. కాబట్టి హియర్ లక్ష్మణ్ వాట్ హిజ్ ఫేవరెట్ cuisine was. Right, students? Take another example. SS asked or SS said to Lakshman. What did he say? Have you given thought to post-retirement plans? Have you given thought? Have you given thought? Have you given thought to post-retirement plans? To post-retirement plans? Question mark. Now see, think for a while. చూడండి, మేడం డస్టర్ తీసుకోమని, డస్టర్ మేడం తీసుకుంటాను డస్టర్. నా డస్టర్ మేడం తీసుకుపోయారు, నాకు రికార్డ్ నడుస్తుంది. Okay, have you seen? Now see how this sentence is going to be changed into indirect speech. As I see here, who is the speaker? Sport star. SS means a sport star. Said to will change into either question mark, you have to use asked or question. Okay. Asked, to whom did he ask? SS asked Lakshman. Instead of comma and comma, now you see it was WH question. Em chesamu, removed question, include commas and put the WH word as it is. But when this is a verbal question, how has had, am is or was were, ivi unnappudu em cheyali? Instead of comma and comma, you have to use whether. Okay. Instead of comma and comma, you have to use whether. Whether is the verbal question. Okay, you have to use whether. Have you will become you have. Have you becomes you have. Means you means who? Lakshman. You stands for Lakshman. What is the pronoun for Lakshman? He. Whether he. Have. You have. Sorry. I, we, you, they have. His seat has. His seat has. Whether he has. Whether he has. Kani. Say to is past tense. Say to is in past tense. Okay. You see, is said to past tense. Asked by the sign. This becomes had. Whether he had given thought to post-retirement plans. Full stop. ఒకసారి చూడండి. SS said to, SS asked Lakshman. Instead of comma and comma, it is a S not a question, verbal question ki you have to use whether. Where Lakshman is SS asked Lakshman whether. U stands for Lakshman, it becomes he. You have to take subject verb form you have to take it. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది verb subject plan ఉంది కదా, verb subject ఉంది కదా, you have to make here subject verb plan, right? Whether he had, have ఎందుకు వచ్చింది, had ఎందుకు రాలేదు, because it is in past tense, that's why you have to use had, right? Whether he had given thought to post retirement plans. Okay, let us take one more example. Father said, Swami, why are you crying? Father said, Swami, why are you crying? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి, father said Swami means father said to Swami, that's meaning. Father said to Swami, that's meaning. Then make it correct here yourself at first. Father said to Swami, itla rayali, comma and comma. Okay, why are you crying? Question mark. Now change into indirect speech. You see, father, ఇది question mark కాబట్టి asked. Okay, whom did he ask? Swami. Instead of comma and comma, you have to use nothing because it is WH word. Nothing. Okay, then you have to use only WH word as it is. Swami, father asked Swami, why are you? Why are you? You see, are is the verb, you is the subject. Are is the verb, you is subject. But ఏం చేయాలి మీరు, SVO format తీసుకోండి. Statement here, S, what is the subject here? You. You stand for whom? Swami. Swami, male or female? Male. Singular, plural? Singular. But then what is the third person? Singular pronoun. He. Why Swami? Swami ki em ravali ikkada? He ravali. Okay. Are. Why are you? Use is singular as plural. That always carries are plural form. Okay. But here is he. He is ravali. Okay. Are badla is ravali. You ki are and is ki. Okay. You ki are and he ki is ravali. If it is again it is wrong. ఎందుకంటే this is a past tense, asked past tense. This I have to make here past. He was. Okay. Why he was crying? Full stop. No question mark. Okay, students. In this way, you have to go with some examples. By changing interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech. Okay, students? Right. Let me give another example to you. Instead of WH word or to have form or to be form, you see, if I asked, let us see to do form example. Headmaster said, don't have you common sense to sit in the class after breaking window panes. You see, headmaster said, don't have you common sense to sit in the class after breaking window panes. Okay, then how to change into indirect speech? Who said it is DS? It is NDS, IDS, you see. Who said headmaster? Headmaster said. Now only said undi kada. Okay, but here is a question mark. Question mark. Mari said pettara, question pettara, asked pettara. You are right, asked. Headmaster asked. Or inquired or questioned. Headmaster asked, don't have you common sense? Don't have you. Now instead of common comma, what are we going to use? Amizar was your have hazard ki you have used whether or if. Okay, but when there is here don't do form, then you have to use if or whether. Instead of common comma, you have to use if or whether. Okay. Headmaster asked if or whether U stands for. U stands for all the children or Swami. All the children are Swami. You can take Swami or all children, no problem. If all children, take plural. Swami singularity. Okay, right. Whether, okay, don't have you common sense. Whether U stands for whom? They. They means those who are absent yesterday and broke the window panes of headmaster's room, office room. Right. That's why you have to use it. Whether they don't have, don't negative, have, then have not. Whether they haven't common sense. Now see here. Whether వచ్చిన తర్వాత directly whether they had ఎందుకు it is a past tense. Whether they had common sense to sit in the class after breaking the window panes. Full stop. Sir, చూడండి headmaster report as it is. Said బదులు asked ఎందుకంటే though there is not listener, here is an interrogation sentence. Question mark కాబట్టి what is asked? Headmaster asked if or whether. When it is a to do form, you have to use if or whether. When it is verbal form, if and whether you have to use it. Okay. If whether they had common sense to sit in the class, here why hadn't రాలేదు ఇక్కడ whether ఉంది కాబట్టి it comes in negative. If or whether comes in negative. Whether they had common sense to sit in the class after breaking the window panes. Right, students? Okay. Before I give some examples, other examples. Listen carefully. This will give you 1 mark. in paper second, question number 16, 17, 18. Okay, Jagrata, practice చేసుకోండి. Find such examples from the text and practice more. Okay. You take the example and you have tried to change it to indirect speech. The peon said, the peon said, to Swaminathan, didn't I see you break the window panes? Change it to indirect speech. The peon said to Swaminathan, didn't I see you break the window panes? Try your best, okay friends, and this is for your homework.